The regulator allows you to attach disposable propane cylinders to your grill for the propane ignition system. The regulator controls the flow of propane from the high-pressure cylinders. A rubber hose attaches to the regulator on one end and has a jet attached to the other. The jet sprays the propane into the burner tube. Over time, the regulator can become clogged, restricting the flow of propane. The rubber hose can crack and the jet can be clogged. Replacing the regulator assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the charcoal bucket from the grill. I'll tip the bucket open and then release the lanyard from the back side of the bucket. With the lanyard released, I'll pull one side of the wire frame away from the bucket, and then I can pull it away from the shelf. Now I'll remove the side table. It's secured with 4 screws. Next, I'll remove the 2 ignition wires from the igniter. Next, I'll remove the orifice from the burner tube. It's secured with this wire clip. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull it away from the burner. And now I can remove the orifice from the burner. Now I'll remove the regulator from the frame. It's secured with 2 screws on the underside. Now install the new regulator. First I'll align it with the frame, and now I can secure it with the screws. Next I'll reinstall the orifice into the burner tube and secure it with the clip. Now reinstall the ignition wires. Make sure you attach the white wire to the white terminal and the black wire to the black terminal. And now I can reinstall the table. And I'll finish by reinstalling the charcoal bucket. And now you know how to install a new regulator assembly on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.